Hi, in this video we're just going to look at the notion of displacement. Okay, so what we've got here is a slider along the bottom here which represents displacement. So this represents displacement in a positive direction and this represents a displacement in a negative direction. If you press start, then the timer will start and it will stop after 20 seconds and it will plot a graph of your displacement. So you can move the slider as you want. Some questions for you to think about. What happens if you move the slider faster or stop moving, and what happens if you change direction? So let's have a look at this. I might have to do it several times. So if I press start, the timer starts swinging. It leaves a path, so that makes positive. If I keep it still for a moment, it goes horizontal and we go down, changes direction. If I do it fast, we can see it changes direction, and we will stop there because we got to 20 seconds. So in the first part of the motion, first 2 seconds, I didn't move the slider at all, and then the displacement increased, so there was some velocity here. All right, so velocity is a vector quantity, so it's the measurement of displacement over time. At this particular point here, I kept the slider in the same place, okay, and then when I change direction, so move it back, the velocity becomes negative, okay, until the displacement at this point is back to 0, and then the displacement is negative. Again, kept the slider at the same position, and then very quickly I changed the slider to a positive position again. So here the velocity is at its greatest amount, here the velocity will be negative, and here the velocity will be positive. Okay, above the line the displacement is positive, and below the line the displacement is negative. Okay, so there's been a video to show you about the introduction of displacement. Now if you want to reset the app, you just press reset and then shake it slightly and it will disappear, and then it will start again, so everything will go back to the initial position. The link to the GeoGebra app you will find in the notes of the video. I hope you've understood, and I hope you found this useful. Thank you very much for watching.